click next. That's it. Your software is get downloaded, the exe file. Try to click on it, and installation process is very, very simple. Next, I mean, like once you are getting that prompt, right, you can just type next, and shortcut your desktop, which is going to available in this format. The software should be available in this format, exe file. Once the software has been downloaded, you can just double click on it. One second, I'm just trying to show you here because I already installed it. Or else we'll do that quickly. Please try to install this one. As I said, most of the development tasks as a developer, right? If you want to start your development career on this Power BI tool, we're going to spend most of our time, 80% of the development activities we can try to perform in this desktop only, Power BI desktop, where we will try to extract the data by connecting to the different data source systems. We can try to represent the data. This is the way of approach. You can get a kind of a window, just click next, and shortcut to the desktop. Okay. I'm just canceling this one. No other option need to select. Just try to click on next, and shortcut to the, it will ask you want to shortcut to the desktop or something. So we'll get it the window like this. Okay. Fine. So as I said, Power BI Desktop is no longer support for the Windows 7 version, and it is going to start in supporting from the 8 to 10. Currently, we are running on the 8, right? 10. So we can try to install in any of the machines. Fine. So see here, if you can try to observe this snapshot, right? Power BI, what it will do. So as I mentioned here, so Power BI Desktop is a tool where we can try to connect the different data source systems. Example, SQL Server, or else even the CSV files, or else XLS files, JSON, different data source systems, we can try to connect it. By using this tool, if the data is not in a proper shape, there is an inbuilt detail is there where we can try to make our data in a cleaner manner, where we can try to represent proper rows and columns. On the top of it, we can try to build the visualizations. Okay, the main motto of this is we can try to extract the data set, okay, which is in the form of a table structure. And we can try to represent the data set by using some visuals. That's it, where the visuals will be stored more right into the brain. So that's why we will try to represent in the form of the visuals, and where we will try to provide those access to the customers so that they can take their business decisions. So Power BI is an interactive tool. Once you can click on the some year or else monthly level, that data should be interact overall the page. Okay, that's what the beauty of this tool. So I will just try to show you the demo session once we'll start taking some examples. Okay, I hope everyone installed that one. Able to install it, or else any? Yes, it is a free tool. That's what I'm saying. Power BI Desktop. Power BI itself has been comes up with a two different environments, right? Power BI Desktop is a free tool, 100% free, where we can try to install it on our own. And Power BI Services, which is a cloud-based environment. So the main motto is to provide an access to the customers, right? So for that, we will try to publish our report with a cloud environment, Power BI Services cloud environment, where we can try to access that cloud environment. First 60 days is a free. After 60 days, if you want to consume it, or else if you want to make use of the same environment with our login credentials, we have to pay some services level. Okay, those are the parts we will try to discuss once we start our main sessions too. Okay, I will take all the queries, but before that, I will let me explain by taking one example how we are going to build the visuals, and I will take some questions on that. Fine. I hope everyone installed it. So I'm trying to open this Power BI Desktop, which I already installed it in my machine. So see here, you'll get a prompt something like this, and just try to close this prompt. This is the front end. Okay, Power BI Desktop, which is the front end, which is, as I said, it's a free application where we can try to connect different data sources